Rush fam, welcome back to the channel. You know it's Rush, the Discover Boss. So today we're at the tallest building in Jamaica. Well, not the tallest yet because it's still under construction, but it's gonna be the tallest building. It's the Rogers. It's gonna be 20 floors, luxury residential apartments. It's gonna take over from the Pegasus, which is the current tallest building at 17 floors. So this is what we're taking a look at today. Gonna do quickly, I'm gonna show you guys what the Pegasus looks like at the tallest building in Jamaica, 17 floors. Alright, so the Rogers is 24 Waterloo Avenue. I've done a previous video on this before, like a month or two ago. I'll put the link in the comments for that previous video as well. So it's going up to 20 floors to take over from the Pegasus as the tallest building in Jamaica and the tallest residential building as well. The name Rogers is the last name of the developer, so that's the reason for that name. A few apartments is close by, literally behind this one. We have Genesis 28, which is pretty new. We have Parker's one. We have 20 South as well. So quite a few high tower residential complexes are very close to this one as well. We know not much to see right now because it's, you know, still under construction. They have a like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it looks like they're going up to 9th floor right now. So it's gonna be twice this height. So from half a tree can be clearly seen, and I'm sure from the rooftop you're gonna be able to see everywhere. So This will be a talk of the town as construction continues. Guys, remember to like. That helps the video to spread so more persons both in Jamaica and abroad, in US, in Canada, in England can see the awesome developments that's happening. Remember to comment and remember to subscribe. Subscribing is completely free, guys. That's the easiest way to support the channel. So this is one of the many projects that JMB is financing. Again, 24 Waterloo Avenue, right off Waterloo Road. Very close to Devon House, very close to Half a Tree. When I set up the drone, I'll zoom in on Devon House, I'll zoom in on Half a Tree as well. A few older apartments are in this neighborhood that I'm sure is gonna get transformed or bought out or redeveloped real soon. Because this entire area is being redeveloped. In this community, there's a lot of townhouses and a few single family homes as well. So for example, like Genesis 28 was a single family home. The lot behind me is for sale. So the lot behind me is for sale, so we know that something big is coming in front of this one soon. So right here, you're gonna have a lot of apartments real soon, and one facing each other. And as I said, 3 apartments is behind this one, which you guys will see or probably already seen from the drone shot. When I set up the drone, I'll show you guys this lot that's behind me from an aerial view, and I'll take a quick glimpse of the realtor billboard. So if you guys are interested, you guys can reach out. I know the cost is gonna be a couple million as well, probably close to $1 billion Jamaican dollar based on some checks I've made in the past. So I'm sure it's over 500 million. But anyway, check it out if you guys are interested, because I know these apartment prices ain't cheap. Alright guys, so there's no billboard showing how it will look when it's finished. I don't really want to just download a picture and use for copyright purposes. So I may just go on Google and then record my phone, use my phone to record what's already on Google, and show you guys in a short clip. So if I'm able to do that, I'll do that for you guys, so you can have a glimpse of what it will look like when it's finished. But I'll set up the drone, show you guys how it looks from an aerial standpoint. Again, we won't be able to see the design because it's covered, it has the green nets around it. So I'll show you guys some areas of interest. So stay tuned for the drone. Thanks for the continued support. Thanks for everything. I know a lot of people keep saying, hey Rush, go do Rogers, go do Rogers. So here we are today at the Rogers, so you guys will see what's going on. It's really good though when you get a chance to go on the compound. Any of you guys have any links, any contacts, know the developer where I can, you know, do a tour of the inside, a tour of the well, not the completed, but a walkthrough of the Rogers. You guys can message me, you guys can send me a number, so I can do a walkthrough. We know usually once we're covering these projects, we cover from start to finish, from start to open house, so you guys will see the progress of the work as well. Alright guys, thanks for your support. Really appreciate each and every one. Those who comment, those who like, those who share, I appreciate you guys. And we're gonna get into some drone shots. Hey guys, so just want to quickly show you some of the images of the Rogers. So this is what the completed building should look like from the front. And then this look right here is from the side. This is the side look of the Rogers. 20 floors, will be the tallest building in Jamaica. So this is the proposed kitchen design, balcony, lounge area, pool, living area. So that's it, that's the Rogers. So let me guys know what you think about these concepts so far of the final design and a few shots of the interior. Let me know.